In this video, we'll talk about systemd self-healing. I just have one demo, but before doing the demo, a short story. In the early days, I made good money doing consultancy. Consultancy for high availability clustering. You know what it is? In high availability clustering, you are going to protect a vital service, and if the vital service goes down, the highly available cluster makes sure it is started somewhere else again. And that's pretty important to ensure that your services are up and running all the time. And then came systemd. And what is systemd doing? Well, systemd is offering a simplified way of high availability. We call it self-healing. Now the difference is that a high availability cluster protects an entire server. Server goes down, no worries. Critical services are being started again on another service. That's something that you can't obtain through systemd self-healing. But what you can obtain is that if a service is going down, systemd is starting it again automatically. And that's what I want to show you. Alright, systemctl edit on httpd.service. And we are going to create a service section. And in this service section, oops, that's a typo. In the service section, I am including a restart is always. And restart sec is, well, the slide says 3. Then I need to be real fast. Let's make it 10. So restart sec is 10. Good. Next, systemctl status on httpd, where we don't really see anything. And what is going to happen if I use kill -9 of what? Of 14971. That's the httpd process. And I'm doing my status again. Now what do we see? We see activating, auto restart. And this auto restart, well, that was 1 second ago. We just need to give it a little bit of time. On the slide, you see 2 steps that are not really required anymore. Just for backward compatibility, I included them. And that's a systemctl daemon reload. You don't need to daemon reload because systemd has made progress and it picks it up automatically. So if I do my systemctl status again, what do we see? We see it's active and it is running. Because the systemd self-healing has helped to repair the failing service.